Hey, this is Reflections Around with another World Cooking. Well, you've made and loved our traditional German Schnitzel. Now we're going to kick it up a notch with 12 variations of Schnitzel. That's a different Schnitzel every month. You're going to love it. We fell in love with Schnitzel when we lived in Germany, and we were amazed at just how many different types of Schnitzels you could find. Of course, there's the traditional Jaeger Schnitzel and Zigeuner Schnitzel, and those are great, don't get me wrong. But you can really change it up a lot with some different toppings. I think there might even be a taste for everyone, except for maybe vegetarians. I'm sorry. Schnitzel's not very vegetarian. So check out our post for all of the recipes. We're going to give you 12 different variations of Schnitzel. And come back for more World Cooking Reflections en Route.